In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise the Base44 app. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting out, these steps will help you promote your app effectively and reach a wider audience. Let's dive in. First, begin by publishing your app. Head over to base44.com and log into your account. Open your project, and you'll notice a publish button located at the top right of your dashboard. This is where you'll make your app available to the public. Once published, you'll receive a public link, something like https://yourapp.base44.app. This link is crucial as it is what you'll share to direct people to your app. Next, it's time to create a compelling landing page or social media post. Write a short and eye-catching description of what your app does, emphasizing its unique features and benefits. Accompany this with enticing visuals, add screenshots, highlight the advantages, and include a direct call to action, such as try it free, share your landing page, or post on various platforms to reach different audiences. LinkedIn is great for professional tools, while Twitter or X is perfect for sharing a short demo video or GIF. Reddit is ideal for connecting with niche communities through relevant subreddits, and Facebook groups can also be a fantastic avenue for apps tailored towards specific interests. If you're looking for a faster growth trajectory, consider running simple ads. Platforms like Google Ads allow you to target specific keywords related to your app, while Meta ads encompassing Facebook and Instagram are effective when using engaging content such as short videos or striking screenshots. For more visually oriented or lifestyle-based apps, TikTok ads can be highly effective. When budgeting, remember that starting small with even just $5 to $10 per day can go a long way to testing what resonates best with your audience. Offering incentives can also drive user acquisition. Consider giving a discount or a free trial to entice new users. A referral system can work wonders. Offer a reward, for example, invite 3 friends, get 1 month free. Engaging users in social media challenges like showing how they use your app can also create buzz and organic growth. Collecting reviews is another vital step. Encourage your early users to provide feedback or rate your app, as testimonials can significantly enhance credibility and attract new users. Make sure to display these testimonials prominently on your landing page and feature any success stories across your social media channels. Finally, track and improve your efforts continuously. Utilize tools such as Google Analytics or Base44 Insights to monitor your visits and identify which ads or posts are bringing the most traffic. Constantly refine your content, visuals, and targeting based on the data you gather. Through these strategic steps, each designed to build awareness and drive downloads, you'll set your Base44 app up for marketing success. Start implementing them today and watch your app soar.